In today's video, we are diving into one of the most critical security feature inside Synology SRM, and that's called threat prevention. It's like having a real-time security guide inside your router, constantly monitoring traffic, blocking attacks, and keeping your home or office network safe. By the end of this video, you'll know how to enable it, read the logs, and fine-tune the protection level to match your needs. So, to install the threat prevention in your SRM interface, you have to go to Package Center, All Application, Threat Prevention, and install it. So in my case, I've already installed. Just make sure you are using a USB drive as a storage because it will need the USB storage to add its log, and database will be created on the USB. So you can check your USB here, like mine is connected. So what exactly is threat prevention? It's an advanced security engine built into SRM that uses deep packet inspection, meaning it actually scans the content of your network traffic, not just headers, to detect and block suspicious activity. It protects against malware and phishing attempts, command and control communications, intrusion attempts, and data breaches or leaks. All these happen automatically in the background without slowing down your network. So we have seen how to install it, and now we'll just proceed with the application itself. So you can find the threat prevention here. Let's run the application. So as I told you, a part of the space will be utilized from your USB device. So you can proceed with it. Now as it's running, so we can find the application here from the main menu. Just open the threat prevention, and it will just start building the signature databases, and that will be added to your storage, USB storage, right? So give it a little time for its structure. Until then, we can just see all the option it provides. So it will give you the events for any suspicious or activity that occur in your network. So you can define your self-defined policies also. There is a statistics map which you can check inside the threat prevention application. As per the settings, it gives you a variety of options. You can also enable the notification, backup, and log storage. So for now, it's building a database structure, and once it's completed, we'll try to see more features of it and enable some detection methods on it. So once it has built its structure database, it will ask you for the behavior settings, like when the threat prevention process limits the network, the packet cannot process normally. The default behavior to use when this problem occurs. So it's like a caution. So you can just have it like you need a network stability to be priority or the security. So I'll go with is the UI interface for the threat prevention. It's currently starting the services, and it might take around 5 minutes for it to completely start the service. So yeah, let's wait for a few minutes until it's started. Till now you can see the events. We don't have any events for now. Here's the statics and here's the settings. So in the settings, you have to enable the threat prevention, and for now we have selected the default mode to be network stability. Here are the interface. So primary interface, which is connected, so that's selected over here as per the device. So yeah, it will give you the devices connected, and you can select the devices you want to protect. So in my case, I have selected all my devices connected to my network. As for the notification, you can enable the notification and have it set to how you want to send that to the email, SMS, or push notification. So all these settings you can find up here. So here's the backup configuration. So in case you want to move your router, you have upgraded your router to a new one, or you are planning to just format your router, in that case it's always recommended to have a backup configuration first. So this is the log storage. So maximum log usage, so 500 MB, 1 GB, or 2 GB. So I've set it to 500 MB. After that, it will just replace the older logs with the new one. In short, if we go through the overview, threat protection will give you the access of total threat logs, recent attack sources. It will give you the source and destination where the attacks, so that you can drill down into the logs and see the detailed entries, including the time, the IP addresses, the attack type, and severity levels. For example, if you see a SQL injection or a brute force attempt, it means SRM detects and stop that attack before it reaches to your device. So yeah, you can see the currently it's showing me the system is well protected. So no threats for now. So everything looks good. So threat protection uses detection rules to identify attacks. So yeah, so if you see here's in the policies, these are the rules or classes which you can say, which you can select, that how you want to enable it, and what are the secure severity of these threats. So everything can be checked over here. So for now it's showing me my security is good, my system is well protected. And as I told you, you can go to the statics time anywhere to check the statistics. So that's how the threat prevention in Synology SRM keep your entire network safe from online attacks, and which is automatically 24/7. You don't need to do anything. So, like if we combine these features, like the safe access and firewall rules, it gives you an enterprise grade protection right at your home, which is good for your network security and mostly recommended by everyone. So yeah, that was all about the threat prevention application and how to set it up in your network, which seems to be a very easy steps. Just you have to make sure you're using a USB drive. You are installing the application through the SRM interface and just configuring it at the beginning. Rest it will take itself all the charges and make sure your network is secured and will provide you all the detailed information and the logs. So that was all about the threat prevention in this video we talk about.